So, hi, James here. We a little project here went south. I was printing upgrade parts for this metal frame I already had on order, because that's what you do with the 3D printer, is you immediately start printing upgrade parts for it when you buy a trainer, which is what I did. So this was a bolt together kit for like under 200 bucks. It's taught me a lot about wobbles and skew and things you probably wouldn't learn if you bought a solid printer right out of the box. So that's interesting. Anyway, so what we're gonna do, I do have a printer on order, but it stopped working. It stopped working. And so I suspect the misters here, because my trusty little meter reads 1 ohm instead of 100k ohms at room temperature. So I'm going to plug this in and see what happens.